Hello everyone, today I'll be taking you to Edo State to learn how to cook the cotton seed soup known as Ikporu. Here we have goat meat. We need the goat meat for our stock. We'll start by seasoning with salt. We're also going to add some stock cubes and then we cover for a while to boil. You can grind your seeds at the local market, or if you have a dry blender at home, you could simply grind them at home. After dry grinding, the cotton seed come out with this rich golden yellowish color. At this point, I am adding hot water to our cotton seeds for a second blending. This will help bring out a more concentrated creamy liquid we're looking for. Stir and let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add your soaked mixture into a blender. I will also advise you get a strong blender for this process. You would need it, trust me. Sieve out the cotton seeds to get out the creamy liquid. The cotton seed soup is an old traditional soup. I learned how to cook this soup from my grandmother. Cotton seeds are not readily available in most markets, so we do need to still keep the tradition of our old recipes so that we don't lose touch with them. In some other parts of the world, the cotton seed milk is made as a drink. The oil is often used in some food and beauty products. Now we can see the usefulness and benefits of the cotton and its seeds. So please don't frown upon it. This is a blessed plant. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have dedicated this soup to all grandmothers, yes, but most especially to my late grandmother. Try and squeeze out as much liquid from your cotton seeds. The leftover cake can be used to feed your poultry beds, goats, cows, and that is if you have a farm. It is important to sieve your cotton milk twice to get rid of any cotton seed cake left behind before cooking. We need some stock cubes, stockfish, dry pepper and dry fish, mackerel fish, small snails, crayfish. Now our goat meat is ready. We take the goat meat out of the pot and leave the goat stock. We need the stock for some extra flavor. Add your cotton seed milk to the mixture. Cover and allow to boil for some time. The cotton milk starts to thicken after a while. Add some stock fish, some salt, a teaspoon of pepper, dried fish, stock cubes, add some pureed onions, continue stirring, add crayfish, add snails, Add mackerel. And finally add your boiled goat meat. At this point, gently stir your soup to avoid breakage of your mackerel fish. Cover for 5 minutes to cook, and then your ikpohu cotton seed soup is ready. Enjoy with pounded yam, eba, and thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Bye.